What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, I get a lot of requests. CSI, talk about AMC and GME. CSI, why don't you do any more videos about AMC? So I'm going to answer that question in this video. And let me tell you something now. I'm going to make a lot of you mad, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, AMC just had a fantastic week in at the box office during Memorial Day. Great earnings, the CEO says. Everybody's on top of the world. And over there in the GME world, it's my understanding, I'm not 100% sure because I don't follow it anymore. But I think that Ryan Cohen finished their Bitcoin situation that they were working on. And now they own Bitcoin. And both of these factors, AMC's great Memorial Weekend and the Bitcoin completion of that deal being done, should have made these two stocks go through the roof. But they didn't. Instead of going up like everybody would anticipate, the stocks continued to crash again and again and again, regardless of what news comes out. Tom Cruise shows up at the movie theaters to promote his new movie, and the stock falls. Jesus Christ himself could come down and go to AMC Theater to show the Passion of the Christ, and the stock would still fall. Why? Because as long as there are liquidity fairies, these son of a bitches who can counterfeit securities and nothing is done to them for it, you will always have market manipulation. Take a look at this article right here. Come out a few days ago. Citadel Securities smashes Q1 records with $3.4 billion in what? Trading revenue. Their trading desk made $3.4 billion in the first quarter of this year. What in the trading revenue, people? This is where they front run us, all right? This is what the purpose of payment for order flow is for. So they pay for the order flow, they see what people are doing, and they can front run it. That's how you make $3.4 billion in trading revenues. Another way that they're doing it is take a look at this right here. Paul Atkins killing the cat system. All right. What tracks insider trading where someone can make $3.4 billion in a quarter? They killed the very system that can track it and bust them and stop them. But they do nothing about it. Who? Just like Donahue George always says, people, the FBI, Kash Patel, who will do nothing to stop Ken Griffin. The DOJ, Pam Bondi. I'm going to call their names. I'm not just going to put it out there that it's just the DOJ and the FBI. It's Pam Bondi, it's Kash Patel, and it's Paul Atkins, who are complicit in letting this happen to retail investors. Okay? Let's get it down and let's say it. Let's be honest with one another. Who is actually complicit in letting this go on? Kash Patel, Pam Bondi, Paul Atkins, and Donald Trump. Yes, Donald Trump, he don't get a free ride on this one because he installed the very man who killed the cat system. It's insane, people. It's insane. Let me tell you something. I messaged Donahue George and I said, man, I'm beginning to really wonder if Donald Trump ain't a part of this because he tweeted and put on his social media platform to buy stocks now. And everybody listened to him and we bought. Well, I didn't. I don't play in that sandbox anymore. But other people did around the United States and world said, oh shit, Donald Trump said buy now. And they did. And all that liquidity flooded the market. And 2 days later, 3 days later, he announces that he's going to put more tariffs on China, causing the market to crash for the couple of days. It went right back up, but look how much money short sellers made when he did that. The ultimate pump and dump from the President of the United States. Wow. 3.4 billion in trading revenue, people. That's $3.4 billion people have given him over that first quarter. Because, see, Ken Griffin can't get that money if people would quit giving it to him. That's why I got out the sandbox. I said there ain't no way to beat a $200 million algorithm that can front run our orders faster than you can even think possible. I'm going to stay in that stock market where it's a losing racket. All right. It's just like, and I love these YouTubers who they have one good day and they think they're back on top and that they're stock market gurus again. But the fact is, in the casino, you're going to win a hand or two. But in the long run, the house always gets all the money. Why would I continue to play in their sandbox when there's another sandbox that you can go play in? People, listen to me. I took just a little bit of time and learned a little bit about the Forex market and trading with these bots. And now this week, we got 34 and 1, 97.14%. And we increased our portfolio by 4% this week. Last week we had 40 trades or 44 trades and 0 losses. Over here, we have a fighting chance. Over here, a market maker can't manipulate a country's currency like they can a damn stock. You cannot bring a currency to 0, but we can see damn well they could bring a company to 0. So why do people continue to play in a sandbox full of shit instead of coming over to the Forex market and taking the hour class and learning how to use these bots and start making your money back, people? It's as simple as that. So come over here. I'll put the link in the description to where you can go to my spreadsheet and you see my trade journal for the day or for the week. 34 trades, 1 loss. And boy, I got margin called on that one. And it was Trump's fault when he put the iPhone tariffs out of the blue. Bang! Once he got margin called $100, so man. But we still ended up the week with 4% increase on the portfolio. Amazing. So, comment down below, hit the notification bell, and come over here and look at the class. Let fill up. Get in there now and teach y'all how to use these trading bots. Love y'all. Be blessed in the next video.